In this short video, I will give you step-by-step instructions to give you the knowledge, a tools list, and torque specs to get the job done. If this video is helpful and saves you time, please subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change a cabin air filter on a 2016 to 2025 Chevy Malibu. With this vehicle, the cabin air filter is located behind the glove box. First thing you're going to want to do is open the passenger door, then open the glove box, then remove all the junk that's in the glove box, then locate this little arm on the passenger side of the glove box, push it up to the bigger hole until it pops out. Then on both sides of the glove box, there's these tabs that hold it in. Push inward on both sides of the glove box so these tabs will come out. Then drop the glove box downward, and then you should be able to see the cover for the cabin air filter. Push inward on these tabs on both sides, and then pull this door down. Then once the door is open, take note of which way the airflow is. On this model, the airflow is downward, which it normally does. Then I like to use this little pick to pull the air filter out. Once you have the old cabin air filter out, if there's debris in there, you can always vacuum it out, and then install your new cabin air filter. Make sure your arrow is facing the right way. Then push your door back up and push it in on both sides till you hear a click. And then push your glove box back up until your tabs on both sides pop back in. Then reinstall this arm on the passenger side. Then you can close the glove box. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to get more short and to the point how-to videos like this that saves you time so you can get more done.